Welcome to Apocalypse Ready, your guide to surviving anything life throws your way.
How to make a solar compass. Hello and welcome to Apocalypse Ready. I am James, and today I'm going to show you how to make a solar compass using sticks and the sun. This method only works on a sunny day where shadows are cast onto the ground. First, find a relatively level and open sunny patch of ground. Begin by taking a straight stick and planting it vertically in the ground. Ensure it's firmly secured so that it doesn't move. As the sun moves across the sky, the stick will cast a shadow. Mark the tip of the shadow with a stone or another stick. Now patience is key. Wait for some time, allowing the sun to move and observe how the shadow changes. Once the shadow has moved, mark the tip of the shadow with another stick or stone. Now simply connect the 2 points using a long straight stick. The first marked shadow tip represents west, and the second one is east. In the northern hemisphere, the sun moves from east to west, and the shadow moves from west to east. In the southern hemisphere, the shadow moves from east to west. Use this knowledge to determine east and west. Now that you have the west, east mark identified, stand with the west mark on your left and face straight ahead. That's north. Solar navigation with a stick is a simple yet effective method that our ancestors used to explore the world. Next time you find yourself without a compass, remember this ancient technique and let the sun guide you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that YouTube will push this information out to more viewers like you. Thanks for watching.